Are you having login issues on your Mint mobile app and you want to be able to fix this? Well then, this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix it myself. So basically what I did firstly is that I actually exited my Mint mobile app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone here, as you can see. And now what you're going to do on settings is to just scroll down in here until you can see general. So click on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So on this page, scroll down again and click on storage right here, and then you're just going to simply wait for all of the apps here to load, and when it's done, swipe up, click on search here. Search for Mint Mobile here, as you can see, and click on the app. Now you're going to click on Offload App, and once again click on Offload App down below here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the Reinstall App button here. Now we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for the Mint mobile app to completely update to its latest version. So as you can see, it says installing here for me, and that means that my Mint mobile is currently updating. Now we can go back into the app here. As you can see, I'm just going to show you, and I'm just going to click here. And it should actually work really well now. And I'm just going to click on sign in here. And if you're still not able to sign in into your account, by the way, you can use Face ID here if you're also, if you have Face ID enabled. If that still is not working for you, you need to probably click on Forgot Password right here and then follow the prompts after that. But basically, I hope that this will be able to fix this for you as well.